Guys, Bobby D here. First of all, welcome to my channel. Now, this is a review of Project Limitless, which is the auto trading Forex bot. Now, I've already done a review on this, but I've had so many questions, I'm going to do another one, and I'm really going to take you through this step by step. So keep watching. So if you're interested in trading Forex with literally no risk, you don't even use your own money, keep watching, because this is something really special, and I'm going to show you the results that people are getting and the results that I've got so far. So let me disappear. So this is the sales page. That's Trevor Carr. He's a very good friend of mine, and it says, finally a real and genuine strategy that works for complete newbies with no previous experience. We earn $1,000 a day. Now, they do earn $1,000 a day. You've got Trevor, Jonas and Bo earning big money. Okay. Let's just go over here. Oh, sorry. And it tells you a little bit about the sales page. Now, you don't have to know anything about Forex. Okay. I didn't. I know a little bit now, but I don't know a lot because you don't need to. Okay. This literally takes care of everything for you. Okay. It's a typical sales page. It's salesy. Now, this is a totally different product. If you're an affiliate marketer like I am, selling $7 products, forget it. All right. Those days are done. Okay. I only do high ticket products now, and I do this bot. So that's the sales page. We don't need to worry about that. Let's actually get rid of it. So this is one of my accounts. Okay. This is one of my accounts. Now, in a nutshell, this is how it works. You open an account, okay, on MetaTrader 4. It's all free. You then go to one of the Forex companies. In this case, it's True Forex Funds. And you open what's called a demo account. So it costs you nothing. Now, there's various demo accounts. There's 10,000, 20,000, 25,000, 50, 100, 200, 250, and even $1 million. This is a $10,000 account. It's not my $10,000. Let me make that really clear to you. So this is a demo account. And what the demo account says is you've got 14 days with our $10,000, which is a demo, it's free, to make $800. And if you make $800, we know that you're pretty good at trading. And then you go into what's called a live phase 1 account. Now, what you're looking at here is a live phase 1 account. So when you pass your demo, you make the $800 on a 10K account. You then have to pay something. So I had to pay $80, and that gives me access to basically a second demo account, but it's a live demo account. Now, I started this on the 12th of the 5th. I actually started it a bit later than this because I didn't do anything. And I've got until the 12th of the 6th. You get a month to make $800, okay? So they give me a fictitious $10,000, and I'm allowed to lose a maximum $500, a maximum loss of 1,000 overall. And I've obviously got to make some money. And if I make the $800 at the end of this period, I go onto what's called a phase 2 account. You don't pay for that. And again, I'll have to make $800, but this time you get 60 days to do it. Now, if you make that $800 again, you can actually do it probably, I reckon, in about 10 days. You are then live trading with their money. They now know that you are a good prospect for them and you're going to make them money. So they refund you the $80 that you initially paid for, and then they basically give you 10,000 real dollars to play with. But if you lose more than 500 in one day, or a maximum loss of 1,000 over the whole time you've got the account, you lose it. They take it away, which is fair enough. It's not your money. But the key to this is being smart, okay? So this is my live phase 1 demo account, okay? live phase 1 demo account. I don't know why I can't scroll down. And as you can see here, 22nd, the 19th, I made $56, $22, $7, $65, and $10. So I am now slightly in profit of, where am I? Over here. So I've got $10,026. Now, you're probably wondering, I'm 5 days into it. Have I only made $26 when it says 56.22? Because I lost a load, right? The bot lost me $250 on the first day. It happens, right? It's trading. You're not guaranteed anything. But what the bot's then done is got it back for me. So it's got me back to my $10,000 again, and I'm $26 up. Now, I still have 19 days to make $800. So what I do is you set yourself a daily amount of what you want the bot to make you. Now, the key to this is don't be greedy, right? This is a $10,000 account. If the bot could make me $60 a day, I'd be very happy, right? That's $1,200 a month. I'm more than happy with that, with one 10K account. You then open another 10K account, you make $1,200 on that. You then open another 10K account, you make $1,200 of that. You can see where this is going. Now, you could open a 100K account, and you might say, why don't you just do that? A 100K account will cost you initially about $500, all right? And if you pass all the phases, phase 1 and 2, you get that $500 back, and then you could be easily getting a daily profit of $500, easy. But if you fail it, you're going to lose your $500, your initial money. So for me, this is only $80 to get started. I get it back if I pass. Worst case, I lose it. It's $80. I can live. I'm not going to. It's not going to affect me too much. So that's that. So let's go to. I know I can't do that, can I? Hang on. Let me go here. This is my Forex account, my live Forex account. Okay, this is the Forex chart, and this little smiley face means it's running, and this is my ape. So there is a bot running in the background here, and the bot will buy low, sell high. Okay, and there's all different settings you can do on this, but you don't have to worry too much about any of that because the guys supply it all with you. I'll just show you this is what it looks like. So that's basically how the software and the system works. Now, what you also get is unbelievable support. Now, there's two options here. You get added to a Discord group, which is on here, which you just put on your computer, and you have all this intel. Really good general chat area where people talk about everything. Where is it? There's a bit, all your settings that you need. It tells you everything that you need. And the best bit is, well, not the best bit, you also get, once you buy into it, you can affiliate it and make $600 per sale, which is really, really good. Really, really good money. So that's your Discord group, and then you also get your membership area, which is here. It gives you all the videos, what you need to do. There's a done for you section where the guys will set everything up for you. You don't really need this, it's not difficult, and if you get it through me, I'll help you set it up anyway. All the videos that you need, some case studies, the ape file itself, resources, the affiliate program, and the announcements that the guys make, and then your support ticket. So the support is great. They normally answer within about 3 hours, but what you also do is just go over here in general chat and just drop a question in there and somebody will answer it. There are all these staff work here. You've got Bo, Jonas, Andreas, Nikolai, Susanna, and Trevor. And there's actually a new guy who started, who's he called? He's literally just started. They've just increased their staff to another guy as well, I can't even see him on here. But there's another guy who starts as well. So there's plenty of people to ask questions. These are all your experts in the field, and they help you out. So you've got everything you need. So the bottom line is this. Can you make money with Project Limitless? Yes, and I'm about to make money. I'm on phase 1 of my 10K account. Can you lose money with it? Yes, of course you can. It's trading. But I'm not going to say it's unlikely. It's going to be quite difficult to lose money because the bot does all it can to stop losing money. And you can put like stops in it. If I lose more than $100, it will turn itself off. All right. There's loads of fail safes into it. And what I really like about this bot is the guys, Trevor, Jonas and Bo, are spending thousands of dollars updating it constantly. You'll see out there, there's all crypto bots. There's other Forex bots. They will never get updated. They're crap. The effort that they're putting into this is phenomenal, which is why I joined. You know, it's a high ticket item. I think it's 1495 at the moment. It's going to go up to 1995, then 2495, then 2995. You know, I've paid to get into this, and once this war calms down, you are going to make some serious money. You know, my aim, I'm not greedy. If I can make $300 a day online, I'm super happy, and I definitely can do it. Okay, so Project Limitless, guys, it really is a no-brainer. Stop buying all these $7 products, $10 products. They're a waste of time. Concentrate on one thing. That's what I do. I concentrate on high ticket items that I sell, and I now am part of Limitless, which I'm really, really pleased to be part of. So a couple of things I'm going to do for you. There's a link below if you want to get involved. Click it, join up. There is a 3-part payment plan, or you pay in full. If you join under my link below, hit me up on Facebook Messenger, and I will help you out, mate. I'll give you my set files. I'll show you my settings. I'll answer any questions. I can even help set it up for you. All right, it's no problem. Although it's not difficult, it will take you 10 minutes. But if you can't do it, I'll help you out. No problem at all. And you'll get my personal help. Okay, it doesn't get much better than that. So that's it. That is Project Limitless. Do I recommend it? I highly recommend it. You can make some serious money with this once everything settles down. You know, Bo and Jonas are making serious money at the moment. They're making like $2,000 a day. Trevor's got some live accounts now. I'm about to go live. It's a no-brainer, guys. This is a life changer for me, and I'm really banking on making a lot of money with it, and you too can. So yeah, jump on board or ask any questions, leave them below, and do us a favour, like, subscribe. Cheers, guys.